Hey boys, NFP numbers are delayed today, so we have to go into the charts and make a plan. But before we go into that, boys, if you're not subscribed yet, go into my channel and click the subscribe button. And if you want to support me, I do have some links below for weeks, Coinflare, Bybit, big bonuses, boys, with no KYC. But for Bybit, you do have to KYC. And then if you want to get funded with up to $300,000 worth of capital trading crypto from a prop firm, I have a video how to get funded for crypto trading. And I do have one of the biggest discounts right now on the market, FTCMOON and FTC Instant. For standard evaluations, you get 25% off. And then for instant account, like funded, straight to funded accounts, you get 15% off if you use my code below. All right. So last time this happened, boys, was 2018. So I asked Grok for some historical data. Around 2018, 2019, the government shut down and saw Bitcoin dip for like 5 to 10%. Now, I'm not sure if that's going to happen uh, like this time because we're near the all-time high. Plus, Nasdaq and ES also are like sitting at all-time high. We had a pullback yesterday and then boom, just recovered. I missed this overnight trade. If you like long around Asia Open, you anyone would have made money today. But I didn't trade because I was like, maybe we will get some numbers for NFP today. But trading is saying that we do have some news today, ISM and unemployment rate. I'm not sure if they're gonna come out, but my quant said that numbers are delayed. And then also, maybe if we get like a passed bill within next week, we might see positive reaction from the market. We might continue higher, but if not, I think we're just continue. We might just chop around here for a little bit. So it's kind of nice that we're holding the value area high in this weekly tapped weekly level of this whole range. So kind of nice seeing some nice strength also on altcoins. It's not bleeding, but it's pulling back a little bit. People are taking profits, which is nice. So I really don't know how we're going to trade this today, but yesterday this was the money yesterday. You have daily open POC of this move up plus previous day high, classic New York open, pump, and then dump, 1-2 punch, and then boom, straight up till New York PM. So this would have been a great move. I think this would have been a 3R trade. Let's see. Yeah, 3R trade. That would have been the money. But I told you guys that I might check this long, but I was like, man, previous month high is just below it. And you also have the POC of the whole range. I was like, maybe we come down deeper. So I put the box here. I transferred the box, but it's okay. We'll hit the next one. So looking at the daily, boys, I mean, we're stalling for a little bit, and we rejected from the 786 up here. So I'm not sure how, like, there's no other levels already for me up here. And if we let's look at the negative fibs. Hold on. I want to see where we are. Yeah, even on the negative fibs, boys, like I don't have anything until 122K. So these might be your targets, 138K from this low. But we'll see. So let's look at the weekly again. Tapped weekly. We might get a back test on this actually. Okay. All right. So let's see how this tapped weekly is going to react. Hold on. Yeah, look at that. Most of the volume on this is traded up here. That's crazy. Could be like a lot of top longers are trapped right now, right here, but I don't have XO, so. But yeah, I think this still could be a great long. But we are at previous day EQ right now, so I'm going to put a box like right here. And then I'm going to hold on. I'm just gonna make it daily point of controls, my levels, and then this one, I'm going to group them, put them in a box, move them a little bit. All right, so for continuation longs, we are at the previous day EQ, boys, and you also have, this is tapped already. Oh, wait, this is not tapped yet. This one is tapped already, so I'm going to delete that. But you have the value area high of the whole range right there. And then you also have, yeah, see this one? Value area high of the range. We might just get a back test and then PDEQ and then continue higher. But if we don't, we're just gonna chop around here today. I think there might be some speeches tonight about the delay or something. But if we don't, I think this would be like a great long POC of the whole range. You got the anchor VWAP and the previous monthly high. So that I still like that level. This one I don't like this one very much already because we've tapped that. So I'm just gonna delete that. All right, so I just added one more level, and I think if we can clear the 786, we attempted first try already. We get a second try. Yeah, we're probably gonna go higher. All right, so let's look at. I do have a lot of longs, damn. Bro, if this comes down, like going finally for this lows, we are cooked. Because thinking about this now, like we've taken all the liquidity, but not this. And then failure to break this would just mean like a big move down to finally clean up all these lows. But who knows? Who knows? It's Pumptober, boys. Nasdaq ES all time high, gold all time high, stocks all time highs. You know, so we don't know what's going to happen, but we just have to wait. And plus, well, I think there might be another rate cut, 25 BPS again, mid October's or third week. So people probably are speculating and longing buying Bitcoin at these levels. All right, so that is it for this video today. Kind of a short video, quick update. We added one more level here, and for shorts, I don't really want to short unless I see like a clear weakness or like an SFP from this level, because right now it's holding. We're at PDEQ. This could be a continuation long, you know. So those are my levels, and for targets, negative fibs. Oops. So at least I want to see Bitcoin get up to 122K, 127, 133, 138, and then for massive bull targets, 152K, 169K, 186, and 204. All right, so that is it for this video. Thank you, boys, for watching. See you on the next one. Bye bye.